In this video, we are going to discuss the ninth problem of areas related to circles. The question is, a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with a diameter 35 millimeters. The wire is also used in the making 5 diameters, which divided the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Actually, they given the figure in the textbook like this. Here, the brooch means a medal. A medal is made up of silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeters. This is a silver medal in the form of circle. The diameter of the circle is 35 millimeters. The diameter of the circle is 35 millimeters. The diameter of the brooch in the form of circle is 35 millimeters. This is total silver wire. And the wire is also used in the making of 5 diameters, which divides the circle into 10 equal sectors. Okay, the silver wire is also divided the circle into 10 equal sectors for 5 diameters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another one is like this. Okay, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. These are the 10 equal sectors. 10 equal sectors are in the brooch. These all are the diameters. Okay, we have to calculate. The first one is the total length of the silver wire required. First, observe the question. A silver medal, a silver brooch is in the form of a circle with made up of silver wire of diameter 35 millimeters. The wire is also used in the making of 5 diameters. This is first diameter A, B, C, D, E. These are the 5 diameters which divides the circle into 10 equal sectors. We have to calculate the total length of the wire to make this brooch. First one, to find the total length of the wire of the silver wire, first this is circumference of the circle. This is circumference of the circle. This is diameter of the circle. Okay. First, we have to calculate the length of the silver wire. For this, the given diameter of the circle is diameter of the circle is what? The diameter 35 millimeters. 35 millimeters. Therefore, radius of the circle is 35 by 2 millimeters. Radius of the circle is 35 by 2. To calculate the length of the total wire used is, this is circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle plus the length of 5 diameters. Why? Because these 5 diameters is also the silver wire. The silver wire is used for this 5 diameters only. Therefore, the circumference of the circle consists silver wire as well as total length of 5 diameters. Total length of 5 diameters. Total length of 5 diameters. Why? Because this 5 diameters is also silver wire. The circumference is also consists silver wire. Now, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r plus 5 diameter stands for what is the length of the diameter? 35. Therefore, 2 into pi stands for 22 by 7. What is the radius? 35 by 2 plus 5 into 35 stands for 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. 7 1s 7 5s are 35. This is 5 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 22 5s are 110 plus 175. which is equals to 285 millimeters. This is the total length of the wire to make this brooch. In this first case, to calculate the total length of the silver wire required is this total circumference consists silver wire. 5 diameters consists silver wire. Therefore, circumference of the circle plus length of 5 diameters. Okay. To calculate the second one. What the second one? Second one is the area of each sector of the brooch. The area of each sector of the brooch. Each sector of the brooch. To calculate the area of sector, we have a formula theta by 360 into pi r square. But there is no angle. Now, there is a small point here. Total sectors have equal length they given. 10 equal sectors they given. Now we have to calculate the area of each sector of the brooch. Therefore, to calculate the area of each sector of the brooch, we have 10 sectors. 10 sectors. The area is equally distributed for the each sector. The area is equally distributed for the each sector. Therefore, circle area by each sector means 10 sectors. Total circle area by 10, we will get length of each sector. Length of each sector. Therefore, 1 by 10 into area of circle is pi r square. 1 by 10 into pi stands for 22 by 7. R square stands for what is the radius? 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. 7 ones, 7 5 are 35. 5 ones, 5 twos are 10. 2 ones, 2 11s are 22. On the numerator we have 11 into 35. 35 into 11 divided by 2 twos are 4. Which means 35 11s are 385 by 4 millimeter square is the length area of each sector. Why? Because we divided 10 here. Area of each sector of having equal length. 10 equal sectors they given. Therefore, each sector having equal area. Therefore, circle area by 10 gives the area of each sector. Okay, thank you. Next question, 10th one. An umbrella has 8 ribs, which are equally spaced, assuming umbrella to be a flat circles of radius 45 centimeters. Find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Find the area between two consecutive ribs of umbrella. Now this is the umbrella having 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeters. We have to assume this umbrella has a flat circle. Flat circle means this is the flat circle. Flat circle of radius 45 centimeters. Radius is 45 centimeters. Find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. How many ribs are there? 8 ribs. 8 ribs means rib means a sector, an area. Area between two spokes. Area between two spokes. This is the rib. This is the rib. This is the rib. Therefore, if we assume this umbrella in a flat circle, it has 8 ribs. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 6, and we have 8th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, this having 8 ribs an umbrella. We have to calculate the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Area between two consecutive ribs of umbrella. Now, this in the circle at the center we have 360 degrees. In the circle we have 360 degrees. 360 degrees. This total 360 degrees divided into 8 equal sectors. Therefore, the angle of each sector can be calculated by 8. 45 is 36. 360. Therefore, area angle between each sector, angle of each sector is 45 degrees. Now we have the formula to calculate area of each sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta here? 45 degrees by 360 into pi stands for 22/7. What is the radius of the umbrella? 45 into 45. On calculation, 45 8s 360. Therefore 2 4s are 8, 2 11s are 22. Therefore on the numerator we have 11 into 45 into 45 divided by 4 7s are 28. 45 is 20 25 into 11 divided by 28. There is no cancellations possible here. What is 20 25 into 11 is 5 7 2 2 2. Therefore 32275 divided by 28 centimeter square is the required area of each two consecutive area between two sectors of the umbrella. Okay, if possible, convert this into a decimal fraction. Thank you. And the next question, a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. You see, this is the mirror of a car. You can see the wipers here. These are two wipers. The area swept by a wiper is in the shape of sector 115 degrees angle. This wiper can also make an angle of 115 degrees. Therefore, this wiper can clean the space in the limit of 115 degrees only in the shape of sector. These two wipers can, the length of each blade is 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters is the length of each blade. 25 centimeters. This is the center of the circle. This is the radius. This is the center of the circle. This is the radius. Okay, now we have to calculate the area. Find the area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Okay, మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఈ రెండు బ్లేడ్స్ ఎంత ప్లేస్ ని క్లీన్ చేస్తాయని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఇది ఒక సెక్టర్. These two are sectors. What is the area of the sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. How many sectors are there? We have two sectors. 2 into angle is 115 by 360 into pi stands for 22/7 into r square stands for what is the length of the blade? 25 into 25. Okay, now we have to calculate here 26 and multiplication 2 into 115 into 22 can be written as 2 into 11 25 25 2 3 are 625 divided by 360 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 9s are 36, 90. Okay, and 115 625 90. Let me calculate it as 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 45s. 5 1s are 5. We have 4 carry, 5 18s. Now there is no calculation. 18 7s are 126. And the multiplication we get first 625 into 23. 625 into 23. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 6s are 18. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 6s are 12. Therefore we have 5 7 13 4 1 1 4 3 7 5 into 11 already here. Therefore 14375 into 11. 14375 into 11. Therefore we have 5. This is 12. This is 11. 8. 5. 1. 5, 8, 1, 2, 5 divided by 126 centimeters square. This is the total area cleaned by these two wipers, car wipers, without overlap. Okay, if it is possible, convert this is to a decimal fraction. Okay, thank you. Next question. Two warships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spreads a red color light over a sector of angle 80 degrees to the distance of 16.5 kilometers. Find the area of the sea over which ships are moored. అంటే మనకి సీ షోర్లో హౌసెస్ ఉంటాయి, లైట్ హౌసెస్. ఇలా లైట్ హౌసెస్ ఉంటాయి. లైట్ హౌసెస్ స్పియర్ షేప్లో ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ పైన మనకి రెడ్ లైట్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ రెడ్ లైట్ అనేది ఒక సెక్టర్గా తిరుగుతుంది. ఒక సెక్టర్ ఇలా ఈ రెడ్ లైట్ అనేది ఒక సెక్టర్ షేప్లో వార్న్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది షిప్స్కి. ఎంత యాంగిల్ అంటే 80 degrees యాంగిల్. ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ కవర్ అవుతుందంటే 16.5 kilometers. 16.5 kilometers కవర్ చేస్తుంది. Therefore, we have to find the area. Find the area of this sector. Okay. Find the area of this sector. Use pi equal to 3.14 the given. Let the solution is area of the sector theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta here? 80 degrees by 360 into pi stands for 3.14 into r square stands for 16.5 into 16.5. Okay. 0 0 cancel. 4 2s are 8. 4 9s are 36. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. Again 3 5s are 15. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Again 3 5s are 15. Okay, 5.5 will get. On the numerator we have 2 into 3.14 into 50. 5.5 can be written as 55 by 10. This is also 5.5 can be written as 55 by 10 because we have 1 point after 1 place. Therefore, on the denominator we have 1 0. This can be also written as 2 into 3.14 can be written as 314 by 100. After the decimal we have 2 places. 55 by 10 into 55 by 10. This can be calculated as 2 into 314. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 628 into 55 into 55 is 5 6 are 30. 30 25 divided by. This is 10,000. Okay. Now multiply these two. 30 25 into 628. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. 8 0 0 plus 2 2. 8 3s are 24. Again 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 0 0. 2 3s are 6. Again 6 3. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 5 15. 1 carry. 6 0 0 1. 6 3s are 18. On adding we will get 0 0 7 9 9 8 1. Okay. 1899700 divided by 10,000. 2 zeros get cancelled. We have denominator 2 zeros. Therefore, we have to put point after 2 places. 1 2. 189.97 meter square. This is the total area, kilometer square. Sorry. They given in the form of kilometers. Okay. The area of the sea over ships were warred in the 189.9797 kilometers. Okay, thank you. Next question. A round table cover has 6 equal designs. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeters, find the cost of making designs at the rate of 335 paisa per centimeter square. Okay, this is the center of the circle. They given this is the type of a design. Design contained as 6 sectors here. This is the center of the circle. If we draw 2 radiuses, this is 28 centimeters radius, this is 28 centimeters radius. Okay, for this, first we have to what we have to calculate it here. Find the cost of making designs at the rate of 0.35 rupees per centimeter square. Root 3 equal to 1.7 we have to use. Okay, first we have to calculate area of the circle. Area of the circle. After that, area of this 6-faced hexagon, regular hexagon, 6-faced regular hexagon. After that, if we subtract area of the hexagon from area of the circle, we will get area of remaining parts. Let us observe. This is 28 centimeters. This is 28 centimeters. Why? Because these all are radius. In a circle, all radiuses are equal. According to our theorem, the angles opposite to the equal angles are equal. The angle opposite to this side is this one. The angle opposite to this side is this one. Therefore, if these two are equal, 60 is they given already. What is the angle? Angle is okay. Now it is equal sectors. Equal sectors, they give equal designs, they given. Equal designs means there are how many sectors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 designs. They are given equal 6 designs. Therefore, the angle at the center of the circle is 360 degrees. For 6 designs, we have 60 degrees. 60s are 360. Therefore, on that sector, it makes 60 degrees. Therefore, it is an equilateral triangle. 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60. Okay? They are already given. 28 centimeters is equals to 28 centimeters. The angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This is already given. The angle is 360 degrees. 180. Okay? Let me explain again. This is the given diagram. A round table has 6 equal designs. ఇలాంటి 6 equal designs కలిగి ఉంది round table. ఈ రౌండ్ టేబుల్ ఈక్వల్ డిజైన్స్ కలిగి ఉంటే ఈ రౌండ్ టేబుల్లో ఈ డిజైన్ వేయడానికి వాటికి అయ్యే ఖర్చు ఇచ్చాడు మనకి. దీనికి ఎంత కాస్ట్ అవుతుందో ఇచ్చాడు. ఆ కాస్ట్ని బేస్ చేసుకుంటే ఈ కాస్ట్కి ఎంత ఏరియా సరిపోతుందో ఎంత ఏరియా ఇంటూ ఈ కాస్ట్ వేస్తే పర్ సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్కి 35 పైసల ఖర్చు చొప్పున ఎంత ఖర్చు అవుతుందో కనుక్కోమంటారు. ఫస్ట్ ఈ డిజైన్ ఎంత ఏరియాలో కవర్ అయ్యిందో తెలుసుకుంటే దాన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. అది తెలియాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మనకేం చేయాలి? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ తెలియాలి. దాంట్లో నుంచి ఏరియా ఆఫ్ దిస్ రెగ్యులర్ హెక్సగాన్ తీసేస్తే దీని ఏరియా వస్తుంది. లేదా ఇది ఒక సర్కిల్ కాబట్టి ఇది ద సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఓ, లెట్ ఇట్ బి ఓ. ఇట్ మేక్స్ ఏ సెక్టర్. దే ఆల్రెడీ గివెన్ 6 equal designs, which means 6 equal sectors at the center. 6 equal sectors. This is this one and this one and this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal sectors are there. 6 equal sectors makes equal angles at the center. We have In a circle, we have the center contains 360 degrees. At the center, the angle is 360 degrees. Total 6 designs we have. 6 ones are 6 60s. Therefore, each sector having 60 degrees angle. Each sector having 60 degrees angle. 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Each sector having 60 degrees at the center. Now, the length of this radius is 28 centimeters. This is also a radius, 28 centimeters. For example, this is a triangle. This is also a triangle. These all are the triangles. In this triangle, two sides are equal. The angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. It is a 9th class theorem. The angles opposite to equal angles are equal. For already they given 60 degrees is one angle. If these two angles are equal, this must be equals to 60 60. Okay na? Already మనకి 60 degrees సెక్టర్ లో ఫామ్ అయిందని మనకు తెలిసిపోయింది. ఓకేనా? సమాన భుజాలకి ఎదురుగా ఉండే కోణాలు కూడా సమానం కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు సమానం అయితే ఈ 60 వెళ్ళిపోయింది. టోటల్ 180లో 60 వెళ్ళిపోతే 120 ఉంటుంది. 120లో నుంచి 120ని 2 హాఫ్స్ కట్ చేస్తే 60 60. దేర్ఫోర్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అని మనకు ప్రూవ్ అయింది. ఓకేనా? ఆల్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అయినాయి కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ఫర్ ద ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ we have the area of the equilateral triangle is √3/4 a square. A is nothing but the side of the square. Total we have 6 triangles. Okay, 6 triangles. Therefore 6 into √3/4 a square. Understand? ఇది ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అయింది. ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఎలా అయిందంటే ఆల్రెడీ సెక్టర్ లో 60 degrees ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. 60 degrees ఫామ్ అవుతా మనం ప్రూవ్ చేసాం. తర్వాత ఈ రెండు రేడియస్లు కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు ఇది 28 అయితే ఇది కూడా 28 అవుతుంది. ఇన్ ఎనీ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇఫ్ టూ సైడ్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్, ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఈక్వల్. ద యాంగిల్స్ ఆపోజిట్ టు ఈక్వల్ సైడ్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. అంటే 28 28. దీనికి ఎదురుగా ఉండే యాంగిల్ ఇది, దీనికి ఎదురుగా ఉండే యాంగిల్ 60. ఆల్రెడీ 60 వెళ్ళిపోయింది. ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో 3 యాంగిల్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి 180 degrees. 180లో 60 వెళ్ళిపోతే 120 ఉంటుంది. 120ని 2 halves గా కట్ చేయాలి ఎందుకంటే రెండు ఈక్వల్ కాబట్టి 60 60. If 3 angles are equal, that is equilateral triangle. The area of equilateral triangle is √3/4 a square. A is nothing but side of the square. We have 6 triangles. Therefore 6 into √3/4 a square. Okay, 6 into √3 stands for 1.7 they are given. 4 into a square stands for 28 into 28. Why? Because side of each triangle. Now on cancellation 4 ones 4 sevens are 28. On multiplication on the numerator we have 6 into 1.7 into 7 into 28. This must be written as, this can be written as 6 sevens are 42 into 1.7 into 28. This is also can be written as what is 42 into 1.7. 7 2s are 14, 7 4s are 28 plus 1 29, 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4. 4, 11, 7. 7 1 4 again. These two is given 7 1 4 into. This is 28. On multiplying this with 28 we will get 8 4s are 32. 8 1s are 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry. 8 7s are 56 plus 1, 57. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Now we have 2 9 9 9 1. Therefore 1 9 9 1 992. We forgot the point here. After 1 place we have the point. After 1 place we have the point. Okay. Therefore 1,999.2 centimeter square is the area of these 6 triangles. Areas of these 6 triangles. Areas of these 6 triangles 1,999. Now we have to calculate area of this circle. Area of the circle. Why? Because ఈ 6 ట్రయాంగిల్స్ సర్కిల్ లోపల ఉంటాయి. ఈ టోటల్ సర్కిల్లో నుంచి, టోటల్ సర్కిల్ ఏరియాలో నుంచి ఈ 6 ట్రయాంగిల్స్ని బయటకు తీసేస్తే మనకు ఉండేది ఇక్కడ మిగిలిన segment areas. Okay, now we have to calculate area of the circle. Area of the circle. Area of the circle is nothing but pi r square. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into r square stands for what is the radius? 28 into 28. 7 1s to 7 4s are 28. Now 22 can be written as 2 into 11 into 4 into 28. 4 into 28. 4 8s are 32. 3 carry 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. Okay. On multiplying, we will get 112 into 4. 112 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 into 11. Therefore, on multiplying these two, 2 2 4 2 2 4 into 11. 4 6 4 2. Therefore, 2464 centimeter square is the area of this circle. Now we have to calculate area of this design. Area of the design. ఈ డిజైన్ ఎంత ప్లేస్ లో ఉందో దాని ఏరియా కనుక్కోవాలి. అంటే ఈ టోటల్ సర్కిల్ ఏరియా నుంచి ఈ 6 ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ని ఏరియాస్ ని తీసేస్తే మనకు ఉండేది ఈ ప్లేస్ యొక్క ఏరియా. ఈ 6 ప్లేసెస్ లో ఎంత ఏరియా ఉందో దాన్ని మనం కనుక్కోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఏరియాలో నుంచి ఈ 6 ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఏరియా తీసేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేది దీని ఏరియా. ఓకేనా, ఈ ప్లేస్ ఏదైతే ఉందో రిమైనింగ్ ప్లేస్ దాని వస్తుంది. దేర్ఫోర్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ మైనస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ 6 ట్రయాంగిల్స్. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ వాట్ వి గెట్ 2464. Okay, 2464 minus we have 1,999.2 centimeter. What is the remaining area? 2464 minus 1,999.2. Therefore 0 8. We have 3 4. I have 5 here. 5 minus 9 6 3 4 1 minus 1 0. Therefore 464.8 centimeter square is the area of this remaining part. ఈ 6 ప్లేసెస్ లో ఎంత ఏరియా అయితే డిజైన్ చేయబడిందో దాని ఏరియా ఇప్పుడు మనకు వచ్చింది 464.8. ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటున్నాడు, ఈ 464.8 సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్ దీన్ని డిజైన్ చేయడానికి అయ్యే ఖర్చు 35 పైసా. ఓకే, ఆ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఫర్ 1 సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్ వీ హ్యావ్ 0.35 paisa cost. For 465 into 8, we have to multiply this one. 464.8. ఈ రెండింటిని మనం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది 464.8 into 0.35. On multiplying this, 8 5s are 40, 5 4s are 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24, 5 6s are 30 plus 2 32, 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23. Multiplying with 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14, 3 6s are 18 plus 1 19, 3 4s are 24 plus 1 25. 0 remains constant. 0 8 6 12 8 2. We have the point after 1 2 3 3 places 1 2 3. Therefore the cost to design this 6 faces is 282.680 rupees. Okay, thank you. With this we completed areas related to circles. Okay, the 14th question is it is only a bit. The 14th question is we have the formula to find out the area of the circle. What if the angle is theta? The area of the circle is theta by 360 into pi r square. but in the 14th bit they given if the angle is P, and radius is R. What is the area of the sector is? Angle is P by 360 into the radius is R, we have pi R square. This is the answer for the 14th question. After completion of this, we will go through the next video. We will go through the outside the textbook problems which are capable to ask in the public exams. Thank you.